What is up, people, and welcome to some big news in the gaming industry. PlayStation 5 is here and we all know how it's going to look like. Anyway, I first saw it when I was watching memes on 9gag, and then in the end I finally discovered the official photos presented by Sony. Well, what do you guys think about it? To be honest, I like it. It has a futuristic design and I think it will fit perfectly in my house. It is the first gaming console that my future son will probably discover, and he will more than sure grow with it. And I hope it will bring good memories for him as Nintendo ripoffs did for me when I was just a small boy. I'm still playing Super Mario sometimes to this day, and it's actually fun. PlayStation 5 comes in two versions, first one being the digital edition, and the second one is that one in which you can still insert discs. And I can bet you're wondering, why did they put a second version with actual discs, considering the fact that we are, I don't know, entering the new decade with 5G and streaming and stuff like that? Well, first of all, there are parts of the world where the internet connection is still weak, and on top of that, there are some users that actually love the feeling of buying a game in a physical manner, and PlayStation 5 didn't want to lose the users that still desire for a tangible experience in this online world that we live in. Also, PlayStation 5 is useful when it comes to high quality movies, and you can still watch Blu-ray on it, which is a great thing, and probably my future girlfriend will appreciate that when I'll buy it. And I will probably go for the digital edition, which I think it will be more affordable. And now let's talk specs. PlayStation 5 comes with an AMD Zen 2 based CPU with 8 cores at a 3.5 GHz and 16 GB of RAM GDDR6, and it has a RDNA 2 AMD GPU capable of 10.28 teraflops. And just to make sure that you understand, that means it has more teraflops than the RTX 2070 and less than the RTX 2080. The console comes with a very fast ray tracing SSD. Thanks Lord, finally. But sadly, the SSD and the new graphic technologies will make the console way more expensive than the PS4, but as we all know, it will get cheaper after 1 year from the launch. The controllers are actually nice as well, and I personally can't wait to see the skins I'll be able to use with these new joysticks. They come with a haptic feedback, which is better than the vibrations that we got from the older ones, and we have triggers that are softer, but there's a new innovation. They've implemented some sort of a system that makes the buttons harder to press in some game situations, which I guess it will be pretty funny. Like, just imagine running out of bullets in a game and pressing a button that won't work just because you have no ammo. That's funny. Also, the controller has a built-in microphone and a small speaker, a jack slot, which we all know that it won't go away so easily, and a USB-C port. The thing that I wish is for a battery to run for a longer time, and I hope they will release it in a bunch of colorways, otherwise mine will get full of Cheetos. And of course, the PlayStation 5 comes with a bunch of accessories like wireless headphones, a docking station, and with a new camera. And I would love to see them all in a new bundle, and maybe that way it will be cheaper for us. Now back to the PlayStation 5. You will see the processing power, not only graphically speaking, but in a lot of light simulations, ray tracings, and I'm primarily talking about racing games where the movement of the wheels is generated by the processor itself. And of course, we have a bunch of interesting games as well. Horizon Forbidden West is one of them, and it looks very good. Not to mention my favorite one, Gran Turismo 7, which I'll be waiting like a kid next to the Christmas tree. And maybe, but just maybe, I'll play Resident Evil, and I say maybe just because I'm way too scared somehow to do it, but the graphics are amazing, so I don't know. So in the end, yeah, I'll buy it for sure. I don't want to be that guy in my group of friends that won't play FIFA 21 or COD. And also, I'm so curious about how are Assassin's Creed and GTA 6 going to look like on this beast of a console. So guys, brace yourselves and hold on to your wallets, because PlayStation 5 it's coming. And I think it's going to be around 400 to 500 without taxes, of course. Is it cheap? Is it expensive? Well, that is you to decide, so leave it in the comments below. What do you think about it? In the end, my name is Alex. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you next time. Bye.